Namaste, मैं हूं पूर्वा and welcome to my channel Crave Cooking. So it's 21st of June and it's a father. So I would like to wish all the fathers a very happy Father's Day. आज मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ a croissant. So I'll be making a classic croissant and a chocolate one. Please try out this recipe. If you have any questions regarding the video, you can drop it in the comment section below. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Crave Cooking and also do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.
Bowl, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, add half tablespoon of sugar and baking powder, 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of milk powder which is completely optional, half tablespoon of dry active yeast and 1/4 tablespoon of salt and give it a good mix. Use 1/4 cup of cold milk to form a dough. Use little at a time. Now knead it for a minute. Add half tablespoon of butter and knead it for another minute. Now cover the dough with a plastic wrap or in an airtight container and refrigerate it for an hour at least. Now over a plastic sheet or a parchment paper, take 75 grams of cold butter and cover it with another plastic sheet. Now beat slowly and roll it into a thin sheet. Keep it refrigerated. Now it's time to roll our dough. Take dough out from refrigerator. I kept the dough for 2 hours. So now start rolling by dusting some flour on the working surface and roll it into a thick sheet. Sheet should be big enough to wrap the butter slab completely. Take the butter slab outside the refrigerator and wrap it within the sheet. Roll it into a thick sheet and fold double lengthwise into 2/3 just like you fold a letter. Now this is the first fold which will give us 3 layers in a croissant. Wrap it in a plastic sheet or keep it in an airtight container and refrigerate it for 2 hours. Now it's time for second roll and fold. While rolling, make sure to keep lifting the sheet in order to avoid getting butter sticked on the working surface. If you see any air bubbles, pop it out and then fold the sheet. Now this is the second fold which will give us 9 layers in a croissant and again refrigerate it for 2 hours. Now time for final fold which will give us perfect 27 layers in a croissant. For the final fold, keep it refrigerated for at least 4 hours. I usually keep it for 8 hours. After waiting patiently for 8 hours, now we'll give it a final roll. So roll it into a rectangle of 25 into 15 cm. Cut the edges slightly to make it even and divide the sheet into 2 halves. One half we'll use for chocolate croissant and another for the classic one. Now take one half, divide it into 3 equal parts. Take the other half and cut it into triangular shape. We'll start making chocolate croissant first. Take the rectangular one, put some roughly chopped chocolate and roll. Transfer these onto a light greased plate. Doesn't this look perfect? Now give milk wash and allow to brew for at least 2 hours. That totally depends on the room temperature. Place a stand in a kadai and let it heat for 10 minutes at low temperature or preheat an oven for 15 minutes at 210 Celsius. Just before baking, give a second round of milk wash. Cook at low temperature for 30 to 40 minutes or in an oven bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 210 Celsius and then decrease to 175 and bake for another 10 minutes. allowed to commit at room temperature, and our perfect chocolate croissants are ready to be served. Now take the triangular shaped sheet, give a small cut at the end in the middle and roll, and repeat the same process as chocolate croissants. Now here comes a small round of tip. The proofing of croissant can be checked by jiggling it. If it jiggles, it is proofed. And now look at that. Our perfect croissants are baked and ready to be served.